Avoid the area. You know, if they see wires, trees on wires, trees bringing wires down, avoid the area. Call 911 so the appropriate first responders will go out, get notification to the power company, and working with the utility companies on de-energizing or shutting the power down and make it safe.
Never try to walk over a wire, and always assume that a line is still charged, even if it doesn't appear to be a power line.
Cable lines, communications lines, even when they come down, they don't have electricity, but you don't know what they might be tangled up in.
And sometimes it's not the power lines that are damaged, it's the homes themselves. Officials say it can happen pretty much anywhere near trees, especially places like Park Forest, where there are plenty of trees over 50 feet tall.
That's a large tree, so I was a bit surprised to see that one come down. I thought maybe the smaller ones would come down. That one was one of the larger ones I've seen here. We have some trees behind me that could fall on our house that we've had to have them trimmed, and I'm kind of careful about high winds. I'm looking around, seeing if we should get down lower from the from the attic.
Experts say the lower parts of your home are the safest place to be during high winds.
You can go to the basement, you can go to anywhere where it's more load bearing, where the beams are having more support through that structure. The center of the house a lot of times is one of the better places to be as well.
The alternative is to live somewhere without trees, but locals like John Mackin say they like living in nature, and it's just part of the risk you assume as a homeowner. John takes comfort in how quickly officials respond to incidents like this.
The guys were here quicker than I could even know that it was out there. So I think they do a good job.